Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will unbox this really cool Corvette 5-pack from 2021. I'm sorry for not uploading anything for quite some times. I've been focusing on stuff in my real life problems. Haha. Anyways, without further ado, let's go straight into the car showcase. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss my next video. See you guys later. Bye bye.